How to find TikTok community guidelines violation reason. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find your violation reason in your TikTok account. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Head over to your TikTok app and make sure that you are logged into your TikTok account. Now tap onto your profile on your bottom right. As you do so, you will be able to see all of your posts. Now tap on any post that you think has violated the TikTok community guidelines. Then as you tap onto the video, it will show you this reason. In order to view the community guidelines violation, tap on See Details on your bottom page. As you tap on to See Details, it will show you why exactly your video was removed. Now, if you would like to disagree with the terms and conditions of TikTok violation, tap on Disagree under Feedback. If you agree, just tap on Agree. But in case you would like to see more violation reasons, then tap on See More. Just like so, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We hope to be back soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, stay tuned and thank you for watching.